Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone iBooks app not working on your iPhone. If you are facing such type of issue, the first and initial workaround to fix this issue iPhone not working is stable your network connection. To do so, turn on airplane mode and wait for 15 to 30 seconds and again turn off airplane mode. It will not only establish your connection but remove your network. And the second one is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various issues of your iPhone or any other mobile. And check whether your Books app of your iPhone is working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on screen time and here scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction. There is a possibility your iBook app has been restricted. Go to allowed apps and features, and allowed apps in features, look for books store and make sure that this option is duly enabled. Book app is not restricted on your iPhone, and check whether your iBooks app is working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, tap on settings of your iPhone, tap on your profile icon and sign out your Apple ID. And after re-sign in your Apple ID and check whether your iBooks app in iPhone working or not. If not, go to the next one more fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone again and here scroll down and look for book app. Look for book app and books, tap on it and make sure that cellular data, allow books to access cellular data. Turn this feature on and also scroll down and check your iPhone apps, book apps working or not. Go to cellular data option and here you will also see your book app under cellular data should be turned on. Books, if you found it off, then simply turn on under cellular data apps allowed and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, taps on settings and here tap on general settings of your iPhone and here tap on software update. Sometimes any outdated iOS update may be a cause of various apps not working properly, so install latest iOS update.